Welcome to our Electrical Engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. To download notes, MCQs and app, you can visit this website link electrical-engineering.app. This website or app is especially designed for electrical and electronics engineering students. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this circuit, we have to determine its equivalent resistance. So first of all, we will take this circuit. Now here we can erase this P and Q. Now here we can see on this side, this is a double bridge circuit. We can solve this circuit by using delta Y transformation or by using Wheatstone bridge method. So here we will solve this by Wheatstone bridge method. So here for this resistor, and this and this 10 ohm. Now here we are assuming this as a Wheatstone bridge. So first we will verify whether the bridge is balanced or not. So what we will do? We will simply divide 20 by 30. So here we can write LHS left hand side is equal to RHS. So here 20 divided by 30 is equal to 10 divided by 15. So 10 divided by 15. Now what we are doing, we are checking whether the bridge is balanced or not. If the bridge is balanced, that means no current will flow through this 10 ohm. So let's see. Now we will check the ratio of this. So 20 divided by 30 is 2 by 3. So it is simply 2 by 3. And this 10 divided by 15, it is also 2 by 3. That means the bridge is balanced. So now what we can do, we can remove this 10 ohm resistor. We will remove this 10 ohm resistor because the bridge is balanced and no current will flow through this 10 ohm. So let's remove this 10 ohm. Now here this 10 ohm and 15 ohm are connected in series. So their equivalent resistance will be simply 10 plus 15, 25 ohm, and 20 plus 30, this will be 50. Now again we can see this forms a Wheatstone bridge. Now again we will check whether the bridge is balanced or not. If the bridge is balanced, that means no current will flow through this 10 ohm. So let's see. So 10 divided by 50 is equal to 5 divided by 25. 5 divided by 25. Now if we solve this, it will be 10 divided by 50 is 1 by 5 is equal to 5 divided by 25. So 5 divided by 25 is also 1 by 5. That means again this bridge is balanced. That means no current will flow through this 10 ohm resistor. That means we can remove this. So again let's copy this circuit from here. Now we can remove this 10 ohm. Now here we can see this 5 ohm and 25 ohm are connected in series. So their equivalent resistance will be 5 plus 25 is 30. So it will be 30 ohm. And this 50 ohm and 10 ohm are connected in series. So its equivalent resistance will be 10 plus 50. It is also 60 ohm. Now next, here we can see this 30 ohm and 60 ohm are connected in parallel. So therefore, the resistance between RAB is, here we can write RAB is equal to 30 ohm parallel with 60 ohm. So 30 into 60 divided by 30 plus 60. Let's solve this in calculator. It will be 30 multiplied with 60 divided by 30 plus 60. So it is simply 20 ohm. So therefore, final answer for RAB is 20 ohm. So this is how we can solve these types of problem. We can also solve this problem by using delta Y transformation technique. But here we solve this by using Wheatstone bridge method, and this is a double bridge. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.